Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at Physicians Formula's Muru Muru Butter Bronzer. I'm going to show you how to use it and tell you my first impressions. This is a fantastic bronzer and I'm so glad I discovered it. It's ultra luxurious. It's infused with that amazing Muru Muru butter and delivers a radiant Brazilian goddess glow. It's incredibly soft, very moisturizing and creamy. It has ultra refined pearls and soft focused pigments that smooth your skin texture, brighten your skin tone, and deliver that amazing bronze finish. However, a couple of ingredients to be aware of. It does contain iron oxides, red 7 lake, and titanium dioxide. All right, couple of ways you can use this. You can use this amazing moisturizing butter bronzer over makeup or over a clean face. Entirely up to you, just depends on what you're looking for. It also comes with a mirror and a sponge applicator, so you don't have to have brushes. You can use this on the go. So if you want to use it over your whole face and you want to use the sponge, all you have to do is gently apply to your neck and face area to get that all over glow. I'm going to do a nice light pass on this side of my face so you can see what that looks like if I was trying to bronze my whole face. There you go. You can also use this to contour specific places, which is what I'm going to do next. So I'm actually going to use my makeup brush here, and I'm going to use it to contour some specific places. You can see that we've got that on there already. Great. So I'm going to use this to highlight a couple of different places as a contour. We're going to go here in my cheek area. And go ahead and highlight up and around my hairline area as well, specifically for my face shape. So we're going to do that hairline there. Yeah, very nice. Makes me look like I've been out in the sun, getting nice and tan. Gone to the beach. Love that. I'm going to use a little bit more in this cheek area here to get that bronzy glow. Yeah, that's nice. And a little bit on the sides of my nose. A couple places here. And then just so I can show you, I'm going to do a little bit more on my neck so you can see that all over glow. Yeah, that is really, really nice. It is super moisturizing, super creamy. It goes on so easy. Love that. And there you have it. Love that. That's great. All right, here's some things I really love about this product. I love that it's hypoallergenic. It's made without the use of common allergens, and it prevents irritation of skin and also includes healthy ingredients that your face will love. This is a great option for sensitive skin. Also, it's paraben-free, gluten-free, and oil-free. It's a great fit for any skin type, especially for those with sensitive skin that's prone to breakouts. That's me. Also, it's cruelty-free. And it's vegan. It doesn't use any sort of animal product, and like all Physicians Formula cosmetics, it's never tested on animals. That's it for today. I hope you liked my review, and thanks for watching.